Ryan Olsen.
I'm Nick Carrera.
I'm Luke Bukowski.
I'm Cooper Heiser.
And I'm Harrison Kuglis.
We're here at Pride Mobility to show you
what's so cool about manufacturing.
We visited Pride Mobility to find out what's so cool about manufacturing. Pride Mobility is a proud producer of motorized scooters and power chairs. We walked through the assembly from the base of the power chair to the finished product. As we walked through, we spoke with Dave DeLuca, Palmer Edwards, and David Matarazzo. The company uses an efficient paperless system to make the chairs. The chairs are custom made to fit an individual. As we toured, we realized that the warehouse was organized by colors that correlated to the production counts, shown on TVs in the center of the warehouse. 110 to 140 chairs and scooters are made per day. Near the end of the assembly, the chairs are fully checked and ready to be shipped. Each and every job is critical to the making of these chairs. This is a great experience and really opened our eyes to the world of manufacturing.
My career path was, it was difficult when I was in high school trying to pick what I wanted to do. I primaried in playing football and sports, and so when I got out of school I had limited options because I didn't push myself hard enough in school to get the degree that I wanted to.
That we get to help people. That's the main thing. Building the chairs to make someone's life better and more efficient is really important.
About manufacturing, the fact that we get to work with the same people pretty much every day. Here at Pride we have a lot of people that have been here for over 18 years, so you get to have a lot of friendships and a lot of relationships. And with growth, our business is in a growth every single year, so we're able to push forward, push the limits of what we're able to do every year, so it really helps.
I compare manufacturing at Pride like a sports team. A sports team has individuals that need to work together to accomplish a goal. It's no different in manufacturing at Pride.
We would like to thank Pride Mobility for showing us
What's so cool about manufacturing?